everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I'm showing you a layout I've completed using the February Hugs and Kisses Embellishment Kit and a couple of wax seals. So I've already put the layout together and stuck it all down, etc. So I just wanted to walk you through how I did this. Now, I went to a retreat last weekend and I've been inspired by one of the class teachers. So my layout has a pocket and it actually has 5 photos, and you can see they're all here tucked in this little pocket here, which I just love. So yeah, so they're all tucked in there. So this is all stuck down and everything else. So the collection I've used is 49 Market, I think it's Moonlit Garden. And I really like it because it's very gardeny, but it's sort of a bit wintry, a bit snowy. And Jude, my 4-month-old puppy, we got some really nice photos of him in the garden when it was all heavy frost. I think this was the prelude to the snow that we had. So this was perfect for these photos. So obviously I cut background paper down to A4 for 2025. Unless I go to retreats, I'm going to do A4 layouts, give that a go, see what that's like. To be honest with you, I don't find them any easier or harder than 12 by 12s. You've just got to condense your design space a little bit, which is fine. So I used a 9.5 inch circle template to cut out this pale blue background, and I've stuck that down to my layout. Then on the back of the front sheet of the 49 Market kit, as you know, if you turn it over you can do all sorts of cutouts on the back. So this pocket is actually a cutout on the back, as is the butterfly and the flowers and the leaves that I've put in. Oh, and the ticket. So they're all cutouts from the back of like the header sheet that comes in the front. So on the pocket I've stuck a piece of the pink trim that come in the Hugs and Kisses kit. I love this and I've only got a little bit left, so I think I might stroke it for a little while before finally using it on a layout. I've then sewn, using the twine, like the thick thread that's in the kit, what do you call them, tassel, onto my layout. I couldn't think what they were called for a minute, sorry. Onto my layout, just again to give it a bit of texture, to give it a bit of interest, and it just seemed to fit quite nicely there. I've used one of the little heart paper clips that come in the kit just to go over the top of the pocket. Then what I've done is I've used a doily as well and stuck that over the pocket and mounted my photo. Using the paper out of the kit, I made a tag. They didn't come with tags. I didn't have any ephemera. I just had like sheets of paper and a little sticker kit. So I made the tag myself and just popped that underneath the photo. And again, I've used a nice thick thread that come in the kit. I then stuck a couple of 15mm wax seals on. So this is the snail one that I call Sydney Snail, and the rose one, and they were just the right colours for my layout as well, which is just lovely. And then I've added a captured in a photograph title, which again was fussy cut off the back of that header sheet. I've added a little leather love heart from the Hugs and Kisses kit, and then I've gone over and just added some stickers, like some little epoxy stickers from the sticker sheet. And last but not least, I then used the twine again from the Hugs and Kisses kit, and I've just sewn some little cross stitches on, like, so it looks like they're being held down by the cross stitches. So that is my kit using my layout using some of the kit from Sarah. If you've not subscribed yet, I'm not sure if you still can. I think all the places may have gone, but you need to check with Sarah, and if you've missed the February kit, then make sure you sign up for March, which is equally as beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching and listening to me take you through my layout. Until next time, bye.